Okay, let's convert 7 ounces to grams. Here's how you do it. 1 ounce, that equals 28.35 grams. And you need to remember that. That's the conversion factor. So when we go from ounces to grams, we just multiply by that 28.35 number there. Like this. We have our 7 ounces. We're going to multiply it by 28.35, but that's grams per ounce because there's 28.35 grams in 1 ounce. So that's where we use that. What's nice is when we multiply, we have ounces on the top and the bottom. They cancel out. We're left with grams. So that's what we're looking for. So 7 times 28.35 grams. When we do the math, we end up with 198.45. I'm going to call it 198.5. In the units, that's going to be grams. That's all that's left, and that's what we're looking for. So that's how you convert 7 ounces to grams. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.